Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check if someone unfollowed you on Instagram. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So this is my ID and I have only 2 followers because many people have unfollowed me and we are going to check that. So for that we just need to click 3 little lines which you can see at the top, and right here we have to click on account center. Now scroll a bit and click on your information and permissions, and at the top click on download your information, and as you can see the option for download or transfer information, we just need to click here. And here I just want to download some of my information, so I'm just going to click on some of your information, and here you will see a lot of options, but we have to scroll a bit and find the option for followers and following, which you can see right here. We just need to tick it up and just click on next, and here we have the option for transfer to destination or download to device, so we just have to click on download to device and just click on next. And here is the main thing where you have the first option, which is as date range. So we have to select the duration from which we want to download the data. So I just want to download it for like all time, so I can just select it. If you want to see the data of last week, you can just select the first option, but let me just click on the all time. Now click on save. Now just hit on create files. Now as you can see, I got the email from Meta that my information is ready to download, so I just need to click on download your information. So from now, whatever steps I'm going to show you, you can just follow them in your mobile phone as well, but for your better experience I'm just going to show you into my PC. So here I just need to click on download and let me enter my password now. Once your download is done, we just need to open the file. So it is in my download folder, so I just need to right click on the folder and click on extract all. So let me extract it right here, and in the extracted file we need to click on connections, then go to followers and following, and right here we have these 2 files by the name of followers and following, and these are the main 2 files which we are going to use to see who unfollowed us. So for that just we have to open the file. Again we have to open the second file. This is for the following. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add a tab and search your compare to list, and click on the first website which is named as www.comparetolists.com. Now here we have 2 options. The first one is list A and the second one is list B. So in the list A we are going to put the followers first. So just select it from the top to bottom, and just we have to hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard and paste the first list right here. Okay, now it's time for the list B, and this time we are going to put our following. So we have to select it from like top to bottom. Just select it by holding the left click of your mouse, and now again hit Ctrl+C and paste it right on the list B. Once you put your data, just click on compare list. It will take a while and then you will see the result. As you can see right here, we got the results, and here we have many things, but here we have to mainly focus on only in list B because these are the people whom you follow and they are not following you back. So just click on the download icon, and once you download the file, just open it, and yeah, these are the people whom you follow and they are not following you back. And yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can check if someone unfollowed you on Instagram. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.